Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. You can install all these necessary packages by running the following command. This way you will see many packages installed in the form of dependencies. After the packages are installed, you can check the version of GCC and G++ by using the following commands. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.